Good morning everyone! Good afternoon America! Kumusta kayong lahat? Thanks Lord for today. Medyo chaos pero sana magiging okay din ang lahat. Sana Lord safe ang lahat. Napaka-chaos today. Praying for everyone's safety. In mysterious ways, it's always so surprising. Love appears over the horizon. I love you for the rest of my days. Still, it's a mystery. Congratulations sa mga nag-graduate, whether kinder, elementary, high school, college. You all did a great job. You survived. Good luck with your journey. May God bless you all.